All right, here we go. I'm super excited about this. This is going to be awesome. This is the start of my next low center of gravity crawler, rock crawler. Doesn't look like much now, but in these bags is the chassis that I'm going to be building for my next LCG build by Powerhobby. And they say they sell excitement. So we're going to find out how exciting this crawler can be. I'm super excited about putting it together, so follow along. Oh yeah, and here's the actual chassis. I'm gonna build this 70 millimeters wide. Check that out. Is that not cool or what, man? This is gonna be awesome. Very cool. Stay tuned for more. I also need a name for this crawler. How about Bubbles? Okay, I think I've made some pretty good progress. Chassis coming together, looking good. I've got the lower links in for now. Got those guys in, and the motor, the transmission and motor, and the skid plate. Looking pretty good there. Looking really good. Loving it. And yeah, man, this is looking really good. Cool. Next up will be axles. I've got some Mias nylon axles that I'm going to be using. Still in the box. Haven't been opened yet. Those are going to be next. So we'll get those Mias Portal. Got Portal axles to put on this. I'm looking forward to using those. And yeah, looking good. It's coming along. I think this is a good stopping point for now. Man, I'm digging it. This thing is going to be neat. Really cool. Lots of fun. Good deal. Stay tuned for more. It's been fun.